Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for experience, and we have got various walk-in drives also on this Saturday and Sunday. So if you are from Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, or Hyderabad, so there are many walk-in drives that are going to happen even in Bhubaneswar. So since on 8th of March, we have Women's Day, right? So many companies are hiring women during this particular time period. So March, April are peak hiring season, peak hiring months for getting hired. So if you are really looking for a switch, so this is the best time to get a job. So first company is UST. UST company is hiring for software testers. They are hiring for someone who knows Java, Selenium, rest assured. Experience should be 4 to 9 years. Notice period is immediate to 90 days. Location is Trivandrum. Right. So if you're interested, you can send your updated resume with the subject software tester Trivandrum. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your resume with the details as total experience, relevant experience, notice period, current CTC, expected CTC, as well as your current location, preferred location. Then TCS company is also hiring for Bhubaneswar location, and they are hiring with respect to the walk-in drive, which is going to happen on 7th of March at 9:30 a.m. So they are hiring for the professionals who have 4+ years of experience. So in you can say React.js, Node.js, these are the development skills, but they are also hiring for automation testing Selenium, automation testing Playwright. So you can apply for this opportunity as well. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your resume. Then Capgemini company is also hiring for the professionals with experience of 4 to 12 years. So skill set required is API automation, load runner, JMeter, Playwright, and ETL with Python testing. Location is Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, and Chennai. And this is the link wherein you have to apply. Then there is a hiring going on for QA engineers, slot games, and iGaming professionals. So the open positions are QA engineer L1, QA engineer L2, and QA engineer lead. And they're looking for someone to have strong knowledge of slot games, experience in land-based or iGaming platforms. So candidates who can join within 1 to 2 months are preferred here. So if you are interested, you can share your resume on this particular WhatsApp number. Right. Then there's a requirement for the Pune-based location, and they are looking for 4+ years of experience in QA, 2+ in automation, 2+ in performance testing. So this is the name of the company, Fizzof, and I'll put all these links in the first comment of the video itself. Then there's a requirement for functional tester, experience 5 to 10 years. The location is Mumbai. So they are looking for someone who has got experience in functional testing of web-based applications, analyzing software requirements and preparing test scenarios, hands-on experience in Java Selenium, awareness of how AI and ML works, experience in testing web APIs, including REST, XML-based, so interacting with the clients to understand product requirements. So all of these things are required. And you can share your profiles to this particular email address, right? Then you have got this Amazon referral. So if you're looking for the job at Amazon company, they are looking for QA1, QA2, SDET1, SDET2 with 2+ years of experience, 6+ years of experience, and 5+ years of experience. Location is Gurugram, Haryana. So this is the link wherein you can get referred by. Then there is a requirement for senior QA specialist, Bangalore location, and they are looking for someone who is having experience of 5+ years in manual testing, SQL production support and troubleshooting. Basic automation scripting using Python or PowerShell is preferred. And if you're interested, you can email your CV to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement at Hexaware Technologies. It's a walk-in drive on 7th of March. Again, it's a Saturday, Chennai, Coimbatore, and Pune. So they are looking for someone who knows API automation testing, ETL testing, plus Azure, Databricks, Playwright automations. See, these days there's a lot of demand of Playwright with Selenium as well. And these are the details. So they are looking for someone who can join immediately. Date is 7th of March, 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Venue is Chennai. This is Chennai-based location. This is Pune-based location, right? And this is Coimbatore-based location. So you can share your resume to this particular email address, right? So these are the job opportunities with respect to the walk-in drives, with respect to the experienced people getting hired. So there are multiple job opportunities that you are seeing in the market now. So please feel free to apply for these jobs because now the market is growing, market is hiring. And as I told you, this month and next month, if you are a woman who is having gap or who took the break from the career, went on a career break. So this is the right time to get hired, because many of the companies would be looking forward to hire women, and many companies, they want to prove themselves that they are women empowerment, they are empowering women, they are prioritizing women. So they will do a lot of hiring during this period. So please do apply for the companies, and if you get referrals, as well and good. If you want ATS friendly resume template, you can get it from our website as well, from the TopMate website. So feel free to search RD Automation Learning on TopMate, and you'll get a lot of products over there, which will help you to get selected, to get shortlisted. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.